Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of the Learn Python series. In this series, I will show you how to code in Python and show you what all the code means. This episode is how to install the latest version of Python on your Windows PC. So first, what you will need to do is click on the Windows button on the bottom left of your display or wherever you put it. You want to click on it and you need to search up Microsoft Store and then click enter. It should be the first result. If it's not, just find this logo. So now what you need to do is go to the top right and click on the search bar and search Python. So the bigger number is obviously the newer version. So you need to find the newest version. So for me, currently, it is Python 3.8. And so you just click on it. And over here, there should be a get button, but I already clicked on it, so it doesn't say that for me. So you need to click get, and it should ask you for your email and password and start downloading. If it doesn't start downloading, it will say you own this app and you need to click install over here. So I'm just gonna cut to when the download finishes. Okay, so now you can see it says over here, this product is installed. So that is basically it. So what it should install is you can click on the Windows button. It should have a recently added section, or you can just search up the two apps that it installed. It first installed Python, as in your version right here. If you click on it, it'll open a command prompt window with a Python shell. So you can type, I'll be teaching how to do this in the next episode of this series. So you can type some Python and it will work right here. So that's one thing it installs. The next thing it's installed is idle. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. That's IDLE. Search that up and open it. So this is basically like a Python shell. It also has a text editor inside of it. So the same thing basically as the command prompt window. But in here, what you can do is you can click File, New, and then you can make like a normal Python file, which I'll be teaching also in the next episode on how to code in the Python file. So you just click on File, New, and then you want to save it before, so just save it as something. And then you can do some Python code next episode. And then what you need to do is File, Save, and then or you can do Control F, and then you can do Run, and then Run Module, or you can click the F5 key on your keyboard and it will run inside the shell. So one more thing, how to uninstall the program. So you probably won't need this, but if you do need it, all you need to do is search up Python, and on the right of here there should be an uninstall button. Click uninstall and it's being uninstalled. You just wait a little and it should be gone from your computer. So that basically wraps up this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys in the next video. Peace.